no na Gerald Asamoah. And then no Bobo Germany national team. Na emuno nya akomayare to afa ho edit foundation. And then onemrofo ye umina ma ya doctor for. Omba Ghana. Umudi Ghana kolegu. Omba ye adwuma. Doctor na kuma 50. Nkola akuma tukudo makunam Holy Heart. Omo yeah, omo yo free. Now no say bi for Asantehene. So ntimi ntankan ho a. So bi ka be and was amba. Now one na na oni obi frame say. Adama say na yara dey. No papa say dia ko so ndo menchia. So mu nya. So na mama kan kire catch for na to mo fan to me bre. Say kwanda mo mumra. Na djuma di umba bi no. Omso mba bi bia ma konforochi. Say be ya better ma for so. Omo ya omo ye ni free. Na kan dia no mo say consider kakra everybody. Omso mo ntimi fan tankan ho ko. Maybe also when the be shey you. Because you do be na doctor for me. Mo fan plan ni bu achire. Be so mo an kasa ide. Mo di o mo kakra na ko mo di operation. But when we see the don't say no adeba. What they be about conference about the young man, what they say. Na ya, what they no fee. Na doctor for me, dia can come the samba. Deba about the shame. To where none and auntie say. But ya, was one team may renew. It's not potential see. You're a bomb 1 day. And I don't bomb 1 day and in power bomb 1 day. The Lord will soon be.
That's what I say. Yeah, I'm a chin. I get you about to try. We try. Okay. We did the several hands because we feel me a woman sentiment. And as I get one, I may have said, my year changed, but I say, if you're my podia, my father, no, MFE was, I said, oh, yeah, I said, and I just say, you should be checked if you visit Crowman anymore, young. But the number of P, Yakapisu, I could was away operations. But maybe take a chance and they play half of the back, let's say a better channel. You better say, not why I say, on Taichi, let's say, so much less to say, if it's my net about Asantehene.
Which about mir hier sind. Ich habe gesagt, dass wir seit Jahren in Aargau operieren. Und wir haben jetzt entschieden zu sagen, ich bin hier vor Ort geboren in Hongkong und wir gesagt haben, okay, jetzt können wir was mein Stammes geben und deswegen sind wir hier, um halt uns vorzustellen, dass er uns segnet, dass wir nächstes Mal, wenn wir kommen, nicht in Aargau operieren, dass wir hier in Opemsuo operieren können und er uns einfach segnen soll. Und das ist ja, was ich versucht habe, auf Chi zu sprechen. Und so ist es ja. Ich will mir vorstellen. Das ist mit den Namen an. Das ist Bodo Knopf, Jens Konrad.
Kannst du sitzen?
Ja, kannst du sitzen. Stefan Grüne. Dennis, aber Hensen, muss der Nachname ist sehr schwierig. Und ja, kannst du hier, kannst du I said, TV, social media, content creator. Almost social media, one of the buy, and also say that we don't bet you. And the company is in everybody in a moment. Fotografer. Malte Hesse. Sorry,
Tommy Händler. And I was here, woman be almost so, almost kind of almost one put a foundation, almost yak my and then no my carbon tea. Ghana, and also then call for boy into almost so a kind of why the band on seven Anya. Nina Post. Michael. Nora Rudiger. Amanda Hintz. Petra Posch. Dennis Judithnes. Dennis Wendt. Und Alex Zuger. Time we are on a Yama Ghana and one of the on the Taiji, a Yama boy Ghana. The friend around now. And I praise here.
me and Germany and so on seats and I in your contact about share it about me also in Germany. So I but on Nana, I was on your no one can hear me. Yes, that's so. So
Unfortunately, I do not speak your language, but I must really say it's really a privilege that we are here and that we can talk to you all. As Gerald already said, we are a team of doctors, nurses, and also media people. Yeah, and this week we are in Konobu. We already did 40 surgeries for children with heart disease, yeah, from the age of 3 months up to 2 years. Yeah, and that is something what is very unpopular and not always working here in Ghana, unfortunately. And of course, that is one of our goals. Yeah, so we do training and so on, so that everything will improve. Yeah, and that in the near future, your doctors can do it by themselves. And as Garrett already said, we are looking for an alternative in your region. Yeah, because we also noticed that the patients and the families, they always have to travel to Accra. It takes 8 hours and more, a lot of expenses and costs and so on. And therefore, we are looking for a location and a hospital which we can use here and support, yeah, to do also heart disease for children, surgeries and interventions for heart disease here in your region, yeah, because you must know worldwide 1% of all children has a heart defect, yeah, and therefore it's a big need, yeah, and on the other hand, it's a niche, yeah, so most governments, securities and so on are not so much focused on it, yeah, and that is what we try to change and to improve you, and of course it will be a pleasure to cooperate with you.
Good afternoon and thank you for this visit today.
So,
I've been briefed about what you've been doing with Gerald and the team, and I thank you very much for supporting my grandson here.
so,
I know it's evolved through what he got when he was playing his football, and through that he's evolved into a foundation to be able to bring back to society whatever he can to do it.
so,
And I'm briefed that you've started at Kolebu, now you want to come to Kumasi. So I was just trying to find out whether you've been in touch with the chief executive. So I'm directing that we make arrangement for the chief executive to meet you, so we can then look at the cardiothoracic center, so we can then formulate a joint program that you can do.
so,
I thank you for sacrificing your knowledge, experience, and everything for Ghana through him.
so,
And whatever you've done in Accra at the Kolebu Hospital, I thank you very much, because all these that you've done is going to inure to the benefit of my people here.
so,
And therefore, there's nothing so grateful than sacrificing your professional knowledge and your time and money to look after these young ones that otherwise we couldn't have done it.
so,
And like you said, maybe you not have even the knowledge to even identify what the problems are. And unfortunately, health delivery is also a major issue that we are struggling with. And so technology transfer, training people who have done it, cardiology and all those things, they can advance through here by working hand in hand with you.
so,
The operation to teach them also, encourage them along, so that they can also impact on our people here. And I'm ever so grateful for meeting you today through him,
so,
I've chosen Ghana to be able to do this. Interestingly, yesterday your president was here. And so I know that is the collaboration. We discussed so much, and today, through Gerald, we are also here.
so,
The collaboration between Germany and Ghana now is firming up properly, and I know that this team will be here. You're welcome in Kumasi, and I'll make sure that everything that should be placed at your disposal to be able to do whatever you want to do, I'll make sure it's done for you.
so,
I thank you for coming, and I thank you also for teaming up with my grandson here to be able to do this. So thank you very much for your sacrifice and your time and everything.
so.
Thank you very much.
So, whichever you yes, yes.
Yeah, oh, she brought.
So I don't for so. So I will be doing it. Yes, And then I'm let's say, what do you jump from you? Let's say,